Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the PowerPoint app and signing in so your files sync. This matters because OneDrive access keeps edits across devices. Once signed in, tap the plus to create or open an existing file and select a template or blank slide. Make sure to pick portrait or landscape early since resizing later alters layout. Also link your phone storage or cloud location now so saving and exporting are immediate. This first step keeps your workflow smooth and prevents lost changes. Once your deck exists, you'll edit directly by tapping objects. Long press to select multiple items and drag to reposition because touch precision is different from mouse. Use Insert to add images, text boxes, shapes or icons, and the Format pane to change size, color, and alignment. Make master layout edits when you need consistent headers or footers across many slides. Also add transitions and preview them. Duplicating a styled slide saves time and preserves consistent design throughout the process. To finish, confirm your slides and choose Present or Export. You can cast, use AirPlay, or export as PDF or PPTX depending on the venue, and always check speaker notes before going live. When sharing, send a link or attachment and set permissions so collaborators can edit or only view. If something goes wrong, like sync or save issues, force save locally, confirm network access, and sign out then back in. That sequence resolves most conflicts and restores the expected behavior quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.